How early is too early to boil your car at a drift day?
No, you'll be fine. It's not looking good, Brev.
It's not looking good, Brev.
The headrests in the back.
I think I need to try and centralise it as much as I can.
Yeah, it's getting a bit.
Nobody what? Oh, this will be in the E30 video,
yeah.
Won't it? So, am I actually filming? Yeah, I'm filming.
This will be the next E30 update and test day, won't it? This will be like a.
Are we going to merge them in?
I reckon we do this and pod as one video. Okay. Shall I just get underway? Or?
Yeah.
Sick.
We are Tuesday, the 19th of November.
So that engine swap that we were going to do in about 2 weeks. How many months in a week? About
probably
4 months.
4 months.
4 months in. Yeah. So it's been a while since an update, obviously. Basically, where we got to the last video, we dropped it off with Phil. He's fabbed up a full new exhaust on my car, put my screamer pipe back into my exhaust so I don't get kicked off every drift day, and done all of that side of it. It looks really good, doesn't it? Wants to go for cages, exhaust, welding. Drop him a message. Yeah. Ding, ding. Garage 11. Got it
What's
right
his
that
name?
time.
Tim? Tom? Phil?
So yeah, we then got it back. We had the Mega Squirt back from Guy, who had tried to repair it. And we're not going to bore you with the videos that we did take because, to be honest, it was, 3 weeks of us just trying to get it started.
Yeah, we'll cut a few little bits in just to show you, but we were basically just for 3 weeks.
Basically just cranking it. We had it fire a few times. We had it idling badly, really badly. Yeah, we had Jack and Norman come round. We had Bozza come round. Like, all the boys try and help us that obviously know a lot more than we do, and everyone tried everything with it, and we just couldn't really get anywhere. It got to the point that it was just like, we're 4 months into this, I just really want my car running. We were going to go, we looked at doing standard ECU with piggyback, but we didn't even have a standard ECU, so yeah, it was going to be a nightmare. I then spoke to Guy Higgs again, and he has done me a deal on an ECU Master Classic. So we've dropped it up there literally last week. He's been absolutely unreal, like squeezed it in. He said he was booking 2 weeks, that's bold, isn't it?
A little bit.
He said he's booking 2 weeks in advance, but we dropped it up there and he was like, mate, I'll squeeze it in as soon as I can. He's done us absolute solid. Because we dropped it up, Thursday? He sent us a video of it running on Friday.
Yeah.
So he's got the new ECU in, he's got it running. Today is Tuesday, he's had it on the dyno, and he's messaged me this morning. Actually, he called me, we had a little chat, and he sounded a bit concerned, and I thought, oh god, this is it. And he just said, yeah, no, it's running good, mate. How much boost do you want to run? So it was like, oh my god, it's finally happening. It's amazing. So it's running 9 psi when I it was running 9 psi when I spoke to him this morning. He asked how much I want to run, and I was like, 12 and a half, 12, 13, and he was like, we'll cap it at 14, and that's a bar of boost. So he's doing that now. We're heading over to Gloucester Way where he is, and yeah, this is hopefully going to be a very good update. This should be first drive in a minute. We'll test it up at Guy's, and if everything goes well, we're going to Sandapod tomorrow.
Naturally.
Yeah. Not that we're doing anything last minute.
We've got it running. Well, Guy's got it running today, so we're going to go to the pod tomorrow.
Yeah, we're going to go drifting tomorrow.
Fuck it.
Yeah, so we're doing a test out pod tomorrow. All the boys are going. Jack's going, Bartek's going, Phil's going, you're going, I'm going. George has done a load of bits on his car, which is cool. We'll probably do a little video, or just an update in the video tomorrow on that. Yeah, and then Jojo's coming down as well. So we should have a really solid group of people, some sick stuff. And tomorrow for me is just kind of a bit of a shakedown day. See what works, see what doesn't work, see what issues we have. I mean, obviously I haven't even driven the car. It's had a lot of changes since I last drove it. It's had a full Wizards of Lock kit, got a dual caliper set up, it's been turboed, the alignment's been sorted out so that my wheels will be touching the floor instead of just doing funny shapes, and a new exhaust on it, so it's going to be a completely different car. And we've got Pembury this weekend, full weekend of drifting, go up on the Friday, drift Saturday, drift Sunday, I believe on the karting track, which is the comp track, which should be sick.
Hopefully, yeah.
So for a car that's not tested at all yet, we're getting pretty optimistic, but I like it.
We always do.
Yeah,
it's the best way to go. So yeah,
times.
we're gonna just little bit of an update where we're at, because I feel like we've done a couple of videos where it's been like things are happening but not been a lot of action. So kind of have this as a bit of a starting segment, and then probably follow on from this will be first drives later, and then hopefully pod tomorrow.
Yeah.
It's alive! How's your... Hi.
I don't know if it's leaking yet. It won't let me have anymore. I've maxed it out. Right, it's what, currently 5:30. We're in older shop. Boys here, Jack's behind us, Bartek's gone and got lost, and Philip is somewhere. So the rendezvous is going well. And you said?
We're all maxing out our credit cards at the moment.
Pretty much.
Trying to fill everything up. So yeah, it's going well.
More updates to follow. Try and blow some of the dirt out of there.
Where did that come from?
We put the bonnet on that part
Oh,
of the dirt.
How many laps it done?
0 laps, 1 issue. aim for, you know. Like, annoying that Willis isn't quite there, but you'll it's nice to just have someone to sort of drive with and sort of base yourself off. Kind of makes you think a bit more about where you're trying to be. But yeah, I think the car's got a slight vac leak because it's idling at like 500 RPM, so need to have a look at that.
Always lining up. You've done some testing.
Yeah, so we've taken the thermostat out because I'm not convinced the thermostat was opening. Every time we kept trying to bleed it, it was just being an absolute nightmare, so we were just like, just take it out, make life easy. Naturally, I waited until my car was really hot to try and take it out, so I've just been burning myself non-stop. We've taken it out, filled it up with coolant. I've just been for a little spin round in a playpen, just banging some little figures of 8s and donuts. Seems fine. The alarming thing we have right now is we have no temperature gauge, we got no way, like, we got nothing. It's a bit scary, so yeah, we just got to take it easy and see how we get on. But excited, it's so sick. I started driving and it's just like, oh my god.
Yeah, boy. Go wide. Yeah, boy. Just straighten up through the straight. Second. Oh, yeah, boy. It's that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's not the hydro, buddy. Oh, the lock. Oh, we're big power, baby. Think you're pushing it? Oh, yeah. Let's fucking go.
Come on, Joe.
What's happening?
What's happening, girl? You alright?
Proper sunset session and all. That would have been a gangster clip if the windscreen wasn't so fucking dirty. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh god. Wow. Yeah. What the scatty flag? Oh no!
Don't be fucking tail, mate! I don't need a jack, was it?
Oh, he's on us! He's on us!
Having fun.